Well, Luke and I are at Park Lake in Charlotte, not too far from Park Lake Lutheran Church, where Jacob is practicing symphony with his symphony friends. So we're looking for our first catch. Well, Luke thinks there might be something biting on the big cat line. Now give it a good jerk just in case he grabs it. That's it. Keep your line tight. Does it feel like it's got any resistance?
I think it was just like seaweed. It's starting to rain.
No, we're all right. Okay, I'm gonna get you casting it again. Oh, okay, let me help you. Okay, Lukey is casting. Go ahead, give it a good sling. I may be too close to the edge to be fishing for big boys. Well, it's got live music down at the other end of the lake. We think we're gonna catch some catfish. More later. Well, we moved down to the other end of this dam, and Lukey's getting a bite. Don't get too excited. Check for bread. You still got some?
Yeah.
Looks like that yellow line is moving over there. Wait until it starts running with it.
It's the wind.
Do you think it's the wind? We've got 5 more minutes to catch our first fish. Well, it's 3:43 and we're getting ready to go pick up Jacob. More later. Well, we're at Squirrel Lake Park. They have a fish feeder. And that's my man Luke. More later. That fish jumping in the water. Well, I'm giving it.
Yeah, you did. He was 7 years old. He used to the neighbor's pond. He's catching little ones all day.
Yeah.
I mean, little tiny ones, but he's happy because
Oh,
bobber's under,
that's all it takes.
Uh,
The size scares him too.
he's got some little ones at that house. He did get it. Didn't even look
Not
like
gonna
they
catch
were getting
anything on credit.
it. Didn't look like they were getting it.
Yellow line goes under again. You go catch it, and I'll get you. They know how to fish.
Oh yeah. That's why I cast it over his left there. He knows where the fish are at.
Well, this is Idlewild Road Park, and it is desolate. I had to walk about maybe 100 yards to get to it from the parking lot. There's some baseball fields. That is really what makes this park go. But I just put out some, got one line with a bobber right out there. I got a fishing pole I'm using right here. And I've got a line on the bottom that almost looks like it's moving right now. That would be exciting. But anyway, this is the most basidious pond that I've seen, and it looks very, very exclusive. But one thing that's unique about it is that it's got these frisbee golf course going around the edges. I don't know how you could not get a frisbee lost in an area like this. But anyway, the main thing is I hope we'll have a fish to show soon. More later.
Just slow because
Squirrel Lake Park, trying to catch some catfish. Got a lot of bites.
just press that and you'll hear it.
And just keep taking them, one right after the other.
Here with Mimi,
Then when it's done, about to
Jacob, the weirdo, Gracie, and Boo Boo, Hyman,
And me.
and Mimi, and Papa, and Luke. What?
All right, here we go. You ready? Here we go, Jake.
Getting a bite. To be.
You are squirrely. I like it though. Okay. Oh. All right, Ben, your turn. Come on, don't take our picture. Yeah, I think they're getting pictures taken.
Drop it. Don't drop the camera in the water.
Sorry, Grace.
There's something biting that one out there.
You mean the bread?
Did we throw that?
Let me check this one.
I'm gonna just let them take it. That right there is more than I had this morning.
Hey, we're getting something.
We're here till 2 o'clock.
What time is it?
20 to 2.
What?
That's fair enough.
20 to 2.
20 minutes?
Okay, Jacob, just put some more bread on it. Or I'll come do it. You want to hold this, Luke? Oh, you got the camera.
I sound just like a duck.
I cannot believe
Talking to
it.
me. Where is that duck anyway? What are you talking
It's
about
like
over
a
there, duck?
cat's neck.
It's going away from us.
I'm going deep.
Oh, what a beautiful day it is.
I gotta move on. Well, this is the back of the Shamlin home. And we got a catfish that's turned loose. Okay, open it up and do it away from you. You don't want to put your feet on it. Just right on the grass, Luke. Don't try to throw it. We'll kick it in. Just shake it loose. Gotta let it go to the bottom first. You got it up near the top. Now open it up and then shake it out.
Help me.
You gotta have the fish at the bottom. Shake it loose so it's at the bottom. Is it at the bottom now? Now open the door. Now shake it out. Okay, you come get me.
At our house, unloading a catfish. Papa's trying.
Wait, take a picture. I'm gonna kick him in. What in the world are you doing? Watch, I'm just gonna put him right on the edge. There we go. Now what?
Papa, you're mean.
Watch, look. Let's just see if he swims away. Are you getting this?
Yes. Let me do it.
Here, go and kick it.
What?
Are you kidding me? Watch, get him swimming in. That fish is alive and well.